Welcome back to Clark's Star Culinary. We are making chimichurri sauce. You will need 1.5 cups of parsley. Remove the large stems. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano and mince. Add the minced parsley and oregano to a mixing bowl. Mince 1 to 4 cloves of garlic. I love garlic, so I'm adding 3. Finely cut 4 to 6 red chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, more or less to suit your taste. Add black pepper to taste. 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And 2/3 cup of red wine vinegar. Mix until the salt crystals have dissolved. Additionally, you can add 1/2 cup of minced cilantro and/or 1 minced shallot for more flavor. Try and let the chimichurri sauce sit for just a few minutes before using. And now we're ready for a steak. You can also use this sauce as a dressing for salads, as a marinade, on fish, or grilled meats. Thank you so much for watching Clark's Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.